Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm working on a 2012 Audi A6. This one has a common issue that we're starting to see more and more often on 2012 and up Audis and Volkswagens. Basically the adaptive cruise control and lane assist systems malfunction, and you'll get a message on the gauge cluster. That one right there, ACC and Audi braking guard not available. Basically, I got my scan tool pulled up here, and the problem lies right in the, shoot, I just had it. Oh no, I cleared the fault. But I did save it, so let me find it real quick. Alright, here's the save file that I created. Basically, as you can see, I had fault C1107, and it was passive, which basically means intermittent, sporadic. These issues, they do start intermittent, but then they do become permanent problems. And the problem lies in this camera that is located right behind this trim panel. So mine is broken, so I can just peel it back real easy. And these cameras, you basically just twist to the side here. Pop it out like that. I know it sounds like I'm breaking it, but you'll see it has like a little track right here. Right there, it twists into, or right behind that tab. Okay, so the problem lies in this module. Right there, you can see the part number. There's a video processing IC in there that is on a BGA, ball grid array. That's how it mounts to the circuit board, basically. And those balls, they fail. They start to crack and fracture, and due to excessive heat cycles, basically due to where it's mounted there on the windshield. And yeah, so what we do is we replace those balls. Basically, it's called a reballing process, and it fixes the problem. And we offer a lifetime warranty on this service. I'll include a link to our website in the description of this video. And yeah, if you have this problem, send it in. We'll get it taken care of for you. Thanks for watching.